ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Air Jordan High Bordeaux colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan High and the Bordeaux colorway. As you do know, this released at a similar time as the A Ma Maniere Air Jordan 1 High. So we're going to do a little comparison. I would love to hear your thoughts on which color scheme you like better. So we'll start off with the overview of these, do the comparison, talk about size and fit, then talk about how I styled this. Very nice color. I think it wasn't as popular as I expected it to be with other sneaker lovers, but I do think that this is a great colorway for the fall winter. Then we'll conclude with how these are doing currently on the resale market. So let's jump right into this overview. So starting with the toe box, I love a good tumbled white leather. So you're going to see that here. On the front, we have more of that tumbled leather in that Bordeaux colorway. This is definitely more of a lighter wine color scheme to me. I was thinking when I had it in hand, it would be a little bit more rich. But it is on the lighter side. This is definitely a richer color scheme on the A Ma Manieres. I think I would have liked to have seen a darker, more richer color for the Bordeaux. Bordeaux wines are a little bit deeper than this sometimes, I feel like. Just a little darker. It's got a little kick, Bordeaux wine. Working our way up, we do have the Bordeaux laces. Or if you're not feeling that, you can go with the white laces. We do have the white nylon tongue, more accents of that Bordeaux color scheme on the top of the tongue here, as well as the outside lining of that tongue. And then we've got more of that tumbled Bordeaux leather on the eyelets. So let's take a look at those details. So moving on to the side panels, we have underlays of that white tumbled leather, and then we've got this nice metallic silver swoosh, which really pops quite nicely off of that white tumbled leather color scheme. And then as we wrap around on the back of the heel, we've got more of that Bordeaux leather, and the collar has a nice combination of that white tumbled leather as well as the inner lining of the Bordeaux color scheme. The insole is white and Bordeaux as well, and the shoe is then completed with a white midsole and a Bordeaux outsole. So in comparing the two Air Jordan 1 Highs, this one is definitely a deeper color scheme, which I think I like just a bit more. This is a little bit too light for me. Bordeaux wine too, at least the Bordeaux that I drink, are a little bit richer and deeper in a red tone. This is a little bit more of a lighter purple in my opinion. I do love the richness of the color on the A Ma Manieres, and I do love just how they really accented it. So if I were to choose between the two of these, I would definitely probably go with A Ma Maniere once on this one. And I just like the subtle details of the nice subtle details of this metallic on lace tips, as well as how different the laces are. But I do like the finish on the color scheme of this a little bit better. Though I don't mind this. I do like the tumbled leather, and I do feel like these are quite comfortable. All right, so let's move on to size and fit after you take a look at these details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I am a 7.5 in men's. I would say stick true to size on this one. I do have higher narrow feet, so depending on what type of foot you have, if it's flat and wider, this could differentiate the size that works best for you. All right, now let's talk about styling. So much fun styling these. I definitely had to use some pieces from Melody Asani's new line over at Foot Locker. And one of the colors I decided to match this with is the terracotta fleece hoodie, as well as the matching sweatpants. I think the terracotta colorway just goes quite nicely with the Bordeaux color scheme of this. Definitely goes and complements the terracotta. Even I don't mind the purple mismatching it with the Bordeaux as well for a nice comfy look.
I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, I'll set them on a chase. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, I'll set them on a chase. That's the way. I said I'ma do it, I'ma get it.
For the second look, I kind of went with a similar terracotta pant. It was a little bit lighter, but that time I paired it with a long sleeve Bordeaux colored shirt and kind of a matching vest that I think just kind of complemented the color scheme of this quite nicely.
Anyways, all I do is work, I got this money on my brain. I don't like to talk, I just got way too much to say. They've been trying to get me, I'ma get them out of the way. I said I'ma do it, I'ma go and get it back. We got in a whip, then I went and hit the dash. I've been thanking God for this life that I done had. I don't need opinions, dog, I only need the facts. It's real, dog, sitting still, dog. They in they feels, dog. I got these bills, dog. Need a meal, dog. If they wantin' less, it's no deal, dog. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to.
For the last and final look, I decided to switch it up with some light denim pants, and I wore my Supreme Aerial View crew neck, and I feel like that Bordeaux color scheme really just kind of complemented this again quite nicely. So
if they wantin' less, it's no deal, dog. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, I'll set them on a chase. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, I'll set them on a chase.
you let me know, out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite, or how would you style these?
I've been signing on the city lights. All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I lay awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck just where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had a try, I bet it right. Yeah, I just took a test and yeah, let me write. Look, I just took a test and yeah, I rolled the dice. Yeah, women, I'll be bad because the fuck was nice. But yeah, I must admit that this ain't overnight. I just hit the double with the jackpot. I'm in the snow, this in New England, but I'm dying high. Now I'm an addict for the music when I can't stop. Ain't gon' let me anywhere to ask me. Ask a favor with a shout out to gas me. Really, they ain't take a risk, but want the outcome. Then asking how come. I've been signing on the city lights. All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I lay awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck just where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had a time. I'm all in this, I call the shots I never call it quits. Trust my intuition, bet it's right and bitch it often is. Seen too many others come and go, they had the wrong intent. Do it out of love and never for it, then I watch it get bigger than expected. No second guess it, I let it set it. It's God's plan, we out here only accepting blessings. I'm stuck with it, this mindset is terminal. In and out different terminals, leveling up is personal. And I already made it, y'all can.
So these retailed for $190 or $170, and they're currently going between $190 to $280. So if you weren't able to snag a pair of these, I feel like this is a great price point. It's not too much over that retail value, but this is definitely a very comfortable silhouette, and I think it has a lot to do with how much tumbled leather is on this version. So that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out, as well as be sure to check out that join button and our membership perks. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next one.
And put those presents beneath the tree, 'cause baby, it's that time of year again. Christmas is here.